Ready na mi para sa recognition karon nga day sa school sa VGs. Tara. Wala pa yung ano.
Inyong basura sa oras nga kasagaran mo.
Gastardo. And fatherly school principal for Mr. Nelson F. Haji.
Sir Bobong Marcelino D. Borja. To our education program supervisor 1 in MAPI, Dr. Welma L.
Good morning, kids! Hello, wayay nitubag. This award is given to in recognition of consistently and dutifully carrying out a good character for the second quarter of the school year 2023-2024, given the second day of March 2024 at Filipino Viges Memorial Central Elementary School, Rojas Street, Barangay Washington, Surigao City. Niña Rica F. Dublon will receive Star Reader Award, Awesome Artist Award, Disiplinado Ako Award. Bines G. Flores will receive the Star Reader Award, Quantum Leap Award, and Contributor Award. Dablea Mar A. Navarro, Kael Bench In Yap will receive the Star Reader Award, Tender Curious Award, Disiplinado Ako Award. Jerbinil C. Matinao will receive Star Reader Award, Collaborative Kid Award. Akeles Yuhan J. C. Alatraca will receive Eager Beaver Award. Kent John Lord P. Pabion will receive Determined Kid Award. Character Traits Awardees, Bordas Rave Angelo L. Makapas
May kwan? Tabo? Aton sasaw? Oo.
Alex Claire Diana S. with honors. Yap Jikayla Margaret N. with honors.
Rich P. Perfect Attendance Award. Sandra Faye D. Perfect Attendance Award. Giselle Faye C. with honors.
With honors, Mindania Amira Gwyneth G. With honors, Monteclaro Keziah L. With honors, Navarro Natalia Mar A. With honors, Omos Neria Lee M. With honors, Ornador Janil Zaiza E. With honors, Pellegrino Riza Jean T. With honors, Pilyodar Venus Joyce Ann A. She will also receive the Perfect Attendance Award.